In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Bitcoin in 2021 by using your Bitcoin and putting your cryptocurrencies to work. This way you can generate cash flow, which is paid out to you in cryptocurrency. So you profit double. So you get cash flow from your Bitcoin being at work in Bitcoin, and you profit from the rising price of Bitcoin in US dollars. So how do you make money with Bitcoin? First, you want to go to pool.cakedefi.com. I'll put a link in the description. And there are several ways. You can see at the bottom here, BTC return per year would be 9% dash 4.8 DeFi, which is CakeDefi is their own cryptocurrency, 40.7%, which is insane year over year. Ethereum 8%, USDT, tether 11%, and zcoin 9.2%. Now there are several ways. You can go staking, which means you buy a part of their master nodes, which in return gives you real-time rewards in the same cryptocurrency. You can stake in DeFi, which is their own cryptocurrency. You can stake zcoin, you can stake Dash and pivx. All these have different returns. DeFi has 40.7, zcoin 9.2, Dash 4.8, and pivx has 4.2%. And as you can see on the right, their masternode status, they have 10 Dash nodes, 303 DeFi nodes, 17 pivx, and 40 zcoin. And they call this buying a piece of the cake, which is essentially the same as you stake a certain number of the coin and buy a share of the node. And you then get a percentage of the amount you staked back in real time as a reward. The second and more lucrative thing would be Lapis. New Lapis services, guaranteed returns, potential bonuses. So this is backed by a huge company, which in return gives you guaranteed APYs. Guaranteed. So here it says expected APY for BTC Lapis is up to 11.5%. As you can see here, you get at least 5%, most likely 7.5%, and the rest is a fixed DFI, so their own coin, as a return for 4%. So you get between 9 and 11.5% every year on your BTC Lapis. So how do you do this? You transfer your BTC to your wallet on Pool CakeDefi, and you can then enter one of these Lapis services. You either go to BTC, Ethereum, Tether, and those are the three ways you can enter a Lapis service. They then use your money or your BTC to generate profits, and then you get 11.5, 10.5, or 11% APY on those coins. You can also enable auto reinvest, so you're benefiting from this service, this Lapis service. You then get returns. You then get yourself the extra 11.5% per year, and then you even profit from compound interest and the increased price for Bitcoin in US dollars or Ethereum. So these are the two main ways of how to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. And this website is a registered LLC, so there are no risks involved. There are risks involved in these trades, but due to it being guaranteed returns and backed by a huge company in an investment firm, there's pretty much no risk involved. You can also choose to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or Tether, I think, through this website by using your credit card, Visa, MasterCard. You can even do it by, I think, PayPal, but I'm not sure. So if you want to join this service, you can either go to pool.cakedefi.com or click the first link in the description, which is a referral code. So I get a percentage of your first deposit, but you won't lose anything, and you probably will gain. You will gain a bonus as well. That's how to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.